Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So on the daily chart, guys, we do not have really significant changes compared to previous session. So yes, market has turned to some retracement as we have discussed recently in last session. And currently we are more interesting with the price behavior on the intraday charts, how market will respond to major support levels. Because if market indeed stands in the bullish upside action, it should react correspondingly to major supports. If it will not do this and will break the supports, this will tell us that something is wrong with the bullish background. And currently market actually stands very close to both of them. I mean our major supports on the intraday charts. So they are on the forward time frame chart. Recall the first level is 124. Next level will be confidence support is 2350 approximately. That is two levels that market should hold if it really bullish, and somewhere from either this level or that level it should continue move higher to the next destination point. In our case this is 125.25 approximately. This is combination of different targets. So the butterfly 1618 on daily, this is OP of this large ABCD pattern 2530. Also we have inner minor ABCD patterns XOP target. So taking on the relative signs, indirect signs that we have on this market, it seems that market somehow should continue move to the upside. Why? Because take a look here, we have the fast acceleration right to the 127 target on the butterfly. Usually it means that chances on upward continuation to the 1618 target also significant. With this minor ABCD, market already has passed through the all targets, I mean COP, OP, now stands in some retracement. So that's why indirect signs point that upward action has not bad chance to happen. Maybe here market also could start to form another butterfly with the target right this area. So you can see it's 127.2504, 161.825.40. So it envelop this major destination point. If, for example, if market will start to form the butterfly here as well, it's also possible. Currently, guys, we are mostly interested in a few hours. We are mostly interested in what will happen with our bread and butter trade, because you can see yesterday it has started really pretty nice. So the price behavior that we have discussed actually starts to happen. We said take a look at the retracement. If market will reach the 24 or even slightly lower level, now yes, this is favorable for your accounts 50%. Within the two closes below the 3x3, within the three closes according to Judd Napoli. Well, this could be the bread and butter buy opportunity straight, because the first up is good. This is first retracement, previous bullish momentum is still here, it should support market, and that will be a relatively safe opportunity to take the long position. Indeed, this has happened, so you can see market showing the upward direction. So if you have taken positions somewhere in this area, you could try to move your stops to the break even, for example, and just watch what will happen. Because currently, guys, here three different scenarios is possible. The first scenario is most welcome for us if market indeed will start upward action and continue movement right to the hourly target. This will be just perfect. Another scenario that could be formed, it's also favorable as you can see on the 30-minute chart. For example, you can see that the target of the bread and butter has not been completed yet, because bread and butter target is the just 618 resistance of the whole action against the previous trend, and you can see this target has not been met yet. At the same time, market could form here ABCD retracement, ABCD action right to this target, because you can see this OP of this ABCD coincides with the target of the bread and butter. It creates the increment. That in turn could give us the Gartner's triple to sell, which mean that market could show after that another leg to the 123.50. This is second scenario. And third scenario, market could continue move down directly right now. In this case, the next level that we will be watching for will be 2350, because take a look, that's confidence on the 4-hour time frame chart, as we said, and that also will be COP agreement with this ABCD pattern. This is three different scenarios that we have. As we already have the Brent body trade in place, so move your stop to the break even, and after that you need to make the decision. If market, as market will hit 24.35, this is the target of the Brent body, you will have to make the decision whether to take profit or to keep the position with the expectation of further upward continuation, which also could happen, or maybe split the position, so take the half of the position profit and the rest the second half on the appreciation of the further rally on the euro currency. So if market will drop, so it will be a simpler decision because we will close at the break even, and in this case we just will be watching for this level, drop our time frame to the 5-minute chart and trying to catch some bullish reversal patterns on the 5-minute chart around this area. So this could be Brent bottom, this could be a butterfly as usual, or head and shoulders, as we're usually watching for these patients around the major reversal points. So that's the trading plan on the euro currency. As you can see, it's not really very sophisticated. It's rather simple. Currently, guys, I think that the second scenario that market will reach this area first looks as most probable. But what will happen after that, it's indeed it's a question. So I'm not sure that will be direct upward continuation. Maybe market will show some deeper retracement first to the 123.50. But anyway, as you can see, we are prepared for any scenario right now, and just keep watching. And we do know what to do in the different scenarios. What we should to do if market will drop here, what we should to do if market will hit these areas. So we have prepared for any scenario, and just let's keep watching and then make our decision depending on what price action market will show.